In this lecture, we are going to be looking at the spinning top pattern. Okay, the spinning top candlestick pattern. Okay, a spinning top is formed when a candlestick has a long wick above, both above and below a narrow body. This candlestick pattern signifies indecision in the market, and the market could move in either directions. So with this type of pattern, we are seeing that the market can move either directions. The market can move up or can move down after these types of patterns. This is indecision. Why is it indecision? Because there is a serious fight between the buyers and the sellers in the market. For this one, the market starts here probably, and then it goes up, down, up to this point, and then comes down to this point, and then goes up and closes at this point, for a buy, for this one with the green candle. Now, this shows indecision because why? Because during this session, there was a lot of battle, there was a lot of fight between the buyers and the sellers, and this ended more of in a draw, So the buyers and the sellers fought, but none of them actually won, because we can see that the wicks up, the wicks down are almost the same, and the body is just small, and so there wasn't any significant winning by the buyers or the sellers. So that's why this kind of candle signifies indecision, because after this the market could go either way. So the buyers could win, the sellers could win, in this kind of scenario. So same thing with this other one, which is red. They all signify indecision in the market. So they don't tell us that the market will buy or the market will sell. When we see them, we just know that something is about to happen. We might continue, or we might retrace, or the trade might just continue. But when we see a spinning top, we just get alert. We get to be alert to expect something in the market. So examples of spinning tops, we have one here. This is an example of a spinning top. You can see this is an example of a spinning top. And after this, the market just continued going up. And this is another example of a spinning top. After this, the market just continued going up. We have this as an example of a spinning top. The market just went down after this. So spinning top alerts us that something is about to happen in the market, but it never tells us whether up or down. It's either ways. The market could move either ways with this kind of pattern. You can see this one came and moved down, but it continued. So the spinning top always tells us that something is about to happen in the market. And you keep checking, you see a lot of spinning tops. On lower time frames, when you see a spinning top on a higher time frame and then go down to a lower time frame, you tend to see it appear as a consolidation period. What I mean by a consolidation period is a period where the market is not really moving, it's not really trending up or down, it's just going randomly, just going up and down. Something like this, like the market just, it might be a spinning top like this in the higher time frame, probably colored, but when you go to the lower time frame, you might see something like this, then you might see, the higher time frame is basically a combination of lower time frame candles, so that's why the spinning top might appear to something like this. So we have this as the body and this as the wicks. If you understand, this is probably too advanced, but just for you to know, just so that you know, it can be something like this. It can start like this, maybe go up and then just go down and then end like this. So we have a spinning top. That's what we call candlestick mathematics, where we combine different candlesticks to find patterns. So we can combine 10 candlesticks to find the pattern created. So we might discover that a combination of all those candlesticks was just a doji or a spinning top. Okay, but this is way beyond the scope of this course. Just so you know. So higher time frames are a compression of what happened in lower time frames. Okay, so that's it for the spinning top. The next lecture, we're going to be looking at even more candlestick patterns. Hope to see you in the next. Bye.